Biofertilizers. Part 1. Benefits of biofertilizers, types and features of biofertilizers, features of common biofertilizers. In nature, there are a number of useful soil microorganisms which can help plants to absorb nutrients. Their utility can be enhanced with human intervention by selecting efficient organisms, culturing them, and adding them to soils directly or through seeds. The cultured microorganisms packed in some carrier material for easy application in the field are called biofertilizers. The critical input in biofertilizers is the microorganisms. Benefits of biofertilizers. Biofertilizers are living microorganisms of bacterial, fungal, and algal origin. Their mode of action differs and can be applied alone or in combination. Biofertilizers fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil and root nodules of legume crops and make it available to the plant. They solubilize the insoluble forms of phosphates like tricalcium, iron, and aluminum phosphates into available forms. They scavenge phosphate from soil layers. They produce hormones and antimetabolites which provide root growth. They decompose organic matter and help in mineralization in soil. When applied to seed or soil, biofertilizers increase the availability of nutrients and improve the yield by 10 to 25% without adversely affecting the soil and environment. Types of biofertilizers. Based on type of microorganism, the biofertilizer can also be classified as follows. Bacterial biofertilizers, which are Rhizobium, Azospirillum, Acetobacter, Phosphobacteria. Fungal biofertilizers, Mycorrhiza. Algal biofertilizers, blue-green algae, BGA and Azolla. Actinomycetes biofertilizer, Frankia. Biofertilizers are mostly cultured and multiplied in the laboratory. However, blue-green algae and Azolla can be mass multiplied in the field. Features of common biofertilizers. Rhizobium. Rhizobium is relatively more effective and widely used biofertilizer. Rhizobium, in association with legumes, fixes atmospheric nitrogen. The legumes and their symbiotic association with the Rhizobium bacterium result in the formation of root nodules that fix atmospheric nitrogen. Successful nodulation of leguminous crop by Rhizobium largely depends on the availability of a compatible strain for a particular legume. Rhizobium population in the soil is dependent on the presence of legume crops in the field. In the absence of legumes, the population of Rhizobium in the soil diminishes. Features of common biofertilizer. Azospirillum. Azospirillum is known to have a close associative symbiosis with the higher plant system. These bacteria have association with cereals like sorghum, maize, pearl millet, finger millet, foxtail millet, and other minor millets, and also fodder grasses. Features of common biofertilizer. Acetobacter. It is a common soil bacterium. Acetobacter corococcum is present widely in the Indian soil. Soil organic matter is the important factor that decides the growth of this bacteria. Features of the common biofertilizer. Blue-green algae, BGA. Blue-green algae are referred to as rice organisms because of their abundance in the rice field. Many species belong to the genera Tolipothrix, Nostick, Schizothrix, Calothrix, Ambionopsis, and Plectonema are abundant in tropical conditions. Most of the nitrogen fixation BGA are filamentous consisting of a chain of vegetative cell including specialized cells called heterocysts which function as a micronodule for synthesis and nitrogen fixing machinery. To be continued in part 2. For Krishi Sanjeevani, Vipin Kuryakar.